On December 27, 2004, scientists caught a glimpse of what was the largest gamma ray flare ever recorded. The culprit, a relatively small star, over 24,000 light years away.
Imagine it's December of 2004 and you're an astronomer working at the Very Large Array, a group of radio telescopes in New Mexico. One day, your team receives some data that shows an extraordinarily large gamma ray burst emanating from somewhere outside the solar system. When your team cross-references the data they received, you see consistent evidence of a massive blast of energy in the form of gamma and X-rays. What did the source end up being? A little star called SGR 180620. While your team does find previous records of similar gamma ray bursts, the sheer magnitude of this one is astonishing, and the afterglow provides invaluable insight into the nature of these powerful cosmic events. Since SGR 80620 is a bit of a mouthful, let's call it Filbert for now. Filbert is a neutron star with an absurdly strong magnetic field, hence the name magnetar. Magnetars have magnetic fields that are thousands of times stronger than other neutron stars and hundreds of trillions of times stronger than Earth's. It's pretty small, it's only about 12 miles across, but it's really heavy, coming at a whopping 1.5 solar masses. To give you an idea of how heavy that is, the Earth weighs in at about 1/330,000th of a solar mass.
Filbert also has a small friend, an exoplanet, orbiting it called SGR 180620b. But once again, SGR 180620b is a real mouthful, so we'll just call him Thomas. Thomas weighs between 10 and 18 times more than Earth, so it's safe to say that salad isn't a major part of its diet. A year on Thomas is about two-thirds as long as Earth, around 238 days. But you really wouldn't want to stay for vacation. Thomas's orbit is just about as lopsided as it can be without throwing Thomas out into interstellar space. Now, being quite literally the most eccentric planet in the known universe, Thomas has some wacky seasons, with summers that make Florida downright chilly, and winters that would make Winnipeg seem almost tropical. In the summer, Thomas comes nearly 55 times closer than to Filbert than Mercury does to the Sun. Then it shoots out to more than twice the distance of Earth to the Sun in winter. All of these different aspects make the SGR 180620 solar system a very interesting and unique place within our galaxy.